Hey, we are getting questions about how people can move to IT career. They are asking us, they did some IT or programming or tester training courses, and they are asking how they can find the first job. And we actually started to write a book about it, but for now I would like to share a couple of advices which I know for sure helped several people so far. So one of the most exciting things about IT is that you can actually do a lot by yourself and at your home in your spare time. For instance, I started coding when I was 8 years old. So actually, when I went to look for my first job, I had a huge list of all kind of technologies, products, and source codes to show to a potential employer. And that's what you can do even now, and that was many years ago when there was no tutorials, there was no videos, there were no books available as many as they are now. So today what I would suggest you to do is to come up with some project and do some one a little bit more advanced project. Don't do just a hello world, but do something a little bit more advanced. Come up with some application and then just do as much as you can and learn while doing it. Read some tutorials, and then after a couple of months you are able to show to your potential employer not only that you finished some course or training, but you can actually show them what are your real skills. You can show them that you managed to finish some application or you went quite far. You actually don't have to even finish it. It's more important to show that you can do something more advanced than hello world. Doesn't have to be finished, but they can see how you code, they can see your passion for it, and that way it's so much easier to get a job because you don't have to have university in this occupation, especially when so many developers and testers are needed. It's enough if you just focus on one project, make it a little bit more advanced than the hello world, and or just implementing, or even worse, copying just a tutorial. Yes, you can start with copying the tutorial source code, but then build on top of it. And in your spare time you can really do a lot. You don't need any equipment except the computer and internet. And then after a few months you can show it to your employer and they will see for real what you have done, and that is tremendous advantage. And actually not so many people do it, unfortunately. But that's one thing, and you can do it right away. You can do it just after you stop this video, so I really encourage you to do that. Thank you, and good luck.